Humans are at the edge of exploration. Mars has been chosen for a critical scientific mission. Engineers and scientists, pushing technology and human ambition to its limits, arrive to study the planet. Mark, a resourceful and determined engineer, thrives under pressure. The crew works seamlessly, collecting samples, calibrating instruments, and analyzing Martian soil. The planet's barren beauty is breathtaking, but danger lurks beneath its red dust. A violent Martian storm sweeps across the habitat. Emergency protocols are enacted, rockets launch, and the crew evacuates. But Mark is left behind, stranded alone. The reality hits. Survival is not guaranteed. Themes emerge immediately: human ambition versus nature's hostility, ingenuity versus isolation, and the thin line between life and death. The story establishes Mark's internal struggle. He is not just fighting Mars, he is fighting fear, loneliness, and his own limits. Mark awakens, scanning the habitat. Supplies are limited. Each decision could mean life or death. Food, water, oxygen, they are finite, and every mistake is deadly. He improvises, plants potatoes using nutrient-rich Martian soil, constructs water extraction devices, repairs broken equipment, and repurposes tools for survival. The audience sees science as heroism. Each solution highlights human ingenuity and resilience. The isolation weighs heavily. Mark talks to himself, keeps logs, and laughs at jokes only he hears. The internal battle is as real as the physical threats. Mars is unyielding. One wrong move could be fatal. Mark realizes that survival alone is not enough. He must reconnect with Earth. Using improvised systems, he attempts contact. Failures test his patience, resourcefulness, and willpower. Meanwhile, NASA discovers he's alive. The planet becomes a stage for a global rescue operation. Scientists and engineers on Earth coordinate satellites, rovers, and mission data. Every moment, suspense builds. Time, distance, and Mars' harsh environment threaten success. The story emphasizes human collaboration across impossible distances. The audience feels the tension. Mark's fate hangs on split-second decisions. Life on Mars is relentless. Dust storms, equipment malfunctions, dwindling food supply, and psychological strain are constant threats. Mark innovates, improvises, and adapts. Every failure is a lesson. Every success is a small triumph. The audience witnesses human ambition confronting nature's extremes. Science becomes survival. Oxygen generators explode. Rovers break. Food reserves shrink, but Mark's courage and intelligence keep him alive. He becomes a symbol of perseverance against insurmountable odds. NASA and the crew plan an audacious rescue. Rockets are launched from Mars with precise coordination. Tension escalates as dust storms threaten mission success. Mark executes daring maneuvers, climbing into spacecraft under blinding Martian skies. Every second counts. The rescue is both literal and symbolic. human collaboration and determination overcoming isolation and danger. Mark's survival becomes a global story of courage, ingenuity, and the human spirit. The journey highlights the fragility of life, the power of science, and the necessity of collaboration. The narrative closes with reflection. Human ambition drives exploration, but survival demands resilience, adaptability, and teamwork. Mark's story inspires viewers to embrace challenges, innovate, and push boundaries in their own lives.
If this story made you pause for a moment, subscribe for more stories that matter.